Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Ali Suwaidi, a consultant orthopedic surgeon and the president of the Emirates Orthopaedic Society. I would like to talk to you about our first day here at the 8th International Emirates Orthopaedic Society meeting in Dubai. Today we had a lot of good lectures talking about knee issues with the ACL, shoulder dislocation and management and the current management. Also, this afternoon we touched on the upper limb pathologies in the elbow, wrist and hand. The lecture was given by a faculty from all over the world, including international, regional and local faculty. I would like to invite you to attend tomorrow, as we have an exciting session